Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, I'm going to Ark Movement's Tuesday car meet. It's in OC, so it's a little bit of a drive, but I've never been to this car meet and I'm excited to see what kind of builds come out. So I'll see you guys when I'm there. So clean. This Type R sounds like a hybrid, man. You can't even hear it at all. This dude didn't stop at all for that speed bump. This global time attack car, apparently. Wide body and everything, bro. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Bro, look at the freaking texture on this, man. It's Louis Vuitton. That's a flex, man. This is really clean. I like the headlights on it, man. Look at that.
Me knowing the person that works there. Yeah, I'm gonna get 15 by 8.
These headlights on the Miata always get me. They just look so, I don't know. Wait a second, is this like a paw print design? The heck? Spotted this beauty in the corner of my eye. I love the paint on this. I think it's OEM color, but I don't even know what you'd call this. Olive green or something? What do you guys think? Do you think this is a true statement or what? But this NSX is sexy though. Got another one right here. Got this Arizona can decal S2000. And then you got the Global Time Attack S2000 leaving. Bro, this is a really clean Mazda Speed 6 and they're repping CorkSport. It's really dark, so sorry about that, but hopefully you can kind of see it. Doing one last walk around and then we're gonna dip. It's been fun, but we're kind of tired and over it, so